Hello guys, welcome to my channel Assam, the mini India. So today I'm going to take you to a very beautiful waterfall which is situated nearby the Kaziranga National Park in Karbi Anglong district and is still unknown to many. You will not only get to see the waterfall but also the beautiful scenario of this place, and I truly recommend you to visit the place once. So let's enjoy the beauty of the place. And now we are very close to the waterfall. It will take just a few minutes to reach there. This is not the waterfall, it is just a part of it. And finally we reached our destination. This waterfall is named as RONGLEKBUUK Waterfall. Except the villagers, no one knows about this place much. But in future it can be a very beautiful picnic spot, I hope so. And here you can see the villagers, the village boys, they are doing their stunts. This waterfall has a great height, but I am able to show only 1/8 part of the waterfall as it is very risky to climb on top of it. So in this place we have 2 more waterfalls, and if you want to see it, please comment down below. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.